Hi guys, today I am at hotel shop. Let's see they can understand my full Tagalog and English. Tagalog. Let's see. Hello kuya. I want to put additional light
Additional light.
at the front at on
What do you need?
motor. How long did you work here?
I've been here since day one.
Day one. Today is your first day.
No. Since 6 months ago.
6 months ago. Oh.
My sister is the owner of the shop.
Oh, your sister is the owner? Oh. Do you like?
Sir,
Do you like?
this one?
Uh,
Yes, sir. Still,
but isn't it hard?
yes. At first,
Uh,
so I learned.
yeah.
Oh, hello. Thank you.
Hi.
Sama kayo mga pala.